Hello, Greg from Balloon Market here. Welcome to BMTV Balloon Basics. Helen from Gemar is back and she is going to show us today how to make a 5 balloon cluster.
I certainly am, Greg. So previous tutorials we've done the duplet method and quads. So we're going to take 2 duplets and make that into a quad by twisting twice. To make a 5 balloon cluster we would use the same colour, but for purposes of today we're going to add a different colour in just so you can see how it works. So I place it on top, I take the neck of the balloon, pull it nice and firm and literally wrap it in 3 times. You can tie in if you want to, you don't need to because it's nice and firmly in place, and then you would just move that last balloon into place and there's your 5 balloon cluster. And
that can be used to make towers or a base.
Yeah, or here's one we made earlier.
A flower like that. So just put in another balloon in the middle. Thank you. There you go. 5 balloon cluster.